All right, Whitestown. I know we keep toying with this one and saying, hey, should we continue it? Because it's a smaller market. There's only 14 homes on the
We
market.
just took on one in Whitestown. All right.
I know.
So
I know.
So,
it's still a market. It's still worth keeping an eye on. It's still a good market. It is, again, it's kind of the Northwest. We talk about the West Side Roundup, then this is the Northwest, and then I think after this we go into Lebanon. So we kind of cover that whole West Northwest. So it's definitely still worth keeping an eye on. It is a smaller market, but it is a good market. It's continuing to grow. There's lots of construction out there. We talked about possibly, this might be a great time to purchase a new home and put it into a rental based on the differential in price between new and existing. So check that out on the economic data. But anyway, Whitestown, 14 homes on the market. It's actually down, believe it or not, 17% from last month. Average rental price $22.82. Also down both month over month and year over year, despite the remainder of the year, it's been mostly over. Average days on the market, pretty good, 35. That's actually really, really pretty good. That's better than most of the markets that we're seeing. That's down 12% month over month. And average price per square foot, just under $1.99 per square foot. Actually also down 7.5% month over month. Interesting, almost as much apartments on the market there. 13 apartments on the market, and interesting, not that much of a delta between those and the single family homes. So that's 2028 versus 2285, and $1.90 is the price per square foot. So a huge difference in price per square foot. So it must be, I don't dissect this market too often, but that must be going after the high end apartment renter for those 13 that are on the market.
Yeah.
Single family homes, the graphs on the bottom left, single family homes, as I mentioned, for the most of the year, it's been above 2024. And then we saw July take a slight dip, and then that dip continued into August. So currently, for the last 2 months, it's below 2024, but we are seeing, if that sneak peek can be believed, creeping back up. And that's hopefully what it should be doing, is creeping back up to get above that 2024 trend line. Let's take a look at the sales data, Chris.
I'll be honest, I wonder if it will continue with seasonality being a factor. So, but we'll see.
Sales data, average days on the market, 37. It's a trend, right? It's going up, but it's still really reasonable. But it's up 32% month over month. Actually down 28% year over year. Price per square foot, $1.83. That is up month over month and year over year, 5 and 10% respectively. Average sales price, that's pushing up there, $388, $229. That is up month over month and year over year. That is interesting. Number of homes sold, 32, down pretty significantly, 11% month over month and 36% year over year. And then the average sales price over time, we can see that it's pretty much trended above 2024, pretty much on par in June and July, and then we're seeing it tick back up in August. So that's interesting. That's kind of a little bit different trend that we're seeing in most markets. And then bottom right there, you can see the price, the number of homes sold in each individual price point. And Whitestown does tend to be a little bit more expensive. It's 250 to 300. You got 43 that sold, but so you're in like that 250 to 350 range is where I would try to be if I was looking to pick up a home in Whitestown.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Whitestown wants to get it's the new Zion. So Zionsville, right? It's like an older market, or older. What do you say? Demographic, not only demographic, but it's a village more like vibe, right?
Yeah.
Executive village in Whitestown is trying to get some of that action.
For sure.